Hello! Today we are going to show you how you can connect Tremendous to your Viral Loops account. This integration will help users provide rewards to their participants based on the Tremendous app, which can offer either monetary rewards and/or gift cards. The installation is very easy, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, make sure to have your Viral Loops account open as well as your Tremendous app. We're going to see our Tremendous test campaign that we created for this purpose. We're going to click the dashboard button and head on to the rewards management tab. As you can see, another tab pops out. You'll see that the Tremendous app is integrated into this test campaign. So in order for you guys to learn how to connect it to your own Viral Loops campaign, we're going to show it into another campaign. So we are going to go back and look for a campaign that we have already created but does not have Tremendous integrated into it. Click the dashboard button and then Rewards Management. You'll see that under Rewards Management there is an option to connect. Make sure to click on that button and on the pop-up select the Tremendous option. And now what you need to do is to copy and paste the API key provided by the Tremendous app. So now you need to head back to the Tremendous app, go to Team Settings, then to Developers, and select the button to generate an API key. Click on the Generate API key and type out the API key name you want to add. For example, Tremendous Test Fivos. Once the API key name is generated, make sure to copy and paste it into the Viral Loops dashboard. Click on Connect, and there you go. Tremendous is now connected to your Viral Loops campaign. Now what we're going to do is configure it. You'll find the reward configuration section in which you will see that in our campaign we have chosen a constant reward. We're also going to choose the platform to be Tremendous, and in the assigned reward choose Fivos Test, which will be a prize of $5. You can also choose in between other monetary options. Once the reward configuration is set, make sure to click on the Confirm button and then on the Save button to save it in your campaign. And there you go. You have Tremendous connected into your Viral Loops campaign as well as the prizes configured into your campaign. Keep in mind that the assigned reward list that you have in your Viral Loops campaign depends directly on the campaigns that you have created in your Tremendous account. In our example, under the team name Viral Loops in the Tremendous platform, we have different options to choose from. For instance, what kind of awards we have to offer. So if we go to campaign templates, you'll see an example of a campaign that we have called the Fivos Test, in which we added as a reward an Amazon gift card, as well as an email for the recipients of those rewards. So let's go back to the campaigns in our Viral Loops dashboard. Once you integrate the Tremendous app to your Viral Loops campaign and head onto the Viral Loops dashboard, you'll see that in the communication step, there is another option of a notification email in which you can edit to send out to participants.